Okay, so today we're going to talk about how to access our Sadlier vocabulary program. And the quickest and best way for you to get there is by first logging into PowerSchool Unified Classroom. Once you've logged in and you've accessed our class page, you'll want to click on the section that says Links. And after you get to the page for links, you will see a link to Sadlier Vocabulary. You definitely want to make sure that you use this link because it will take you directly to the Washington Township Sadlier site. So you can go ahead and click there now. And then it's going to ask you to log in. You should have your login information on that white sheet. So you can go ahead and log in. It is case sensitive, so if you see a capital letter somewhere, make sure you use it. But I'm going to go ahead and log in as well. And once you log in, the first thing that you will see on the screen is your assignment page. So where it says choosing the right word and completing the sentence, that would be your 2 homework assignments for the week. They're right there for you. As you're working through them, definitely make sure you hit save. But the part of the site that I'd really like you to pay attention to now is our vocabulary workshop. So we are level A. Level A is the first option on the left. So go ahead and click on vocabulary workshop level A. Now, once you're in, you have access to every single unit and every single lesson for the year. So we're going to start, of course, with Unit 1. And this week, we're only going to focus on Set A. Next week, we'll take a look at Set B. And basically, every week, we'll focus on 10 words. Then we'll focus on another 10 words, and then we'll have a quiz on all 20 words. So there's lots of cool things that you have access to once you're in. So make sure you click on Unit 1. There's a unit passage, which is kind of like a short story that has all the words. There's definitions for Set A, which is where we'll probably start today. Under games and study aids, there's something called iWords, which will let you actually listen to one of the words in the definition. So I'll just click on besiege.
Besiege. Besiege. Besiege is a verb meaning to attack by surrounding, or to cause worry or trouble.
So you can hear the definition if that's a helpful way for you to learn. If you're somebody who would rather review the words in a different way, there's flashcards, there's a hangman game, there's a word search, there's a vocabulary race. So there's lots of options to help us study our words each week. But that was just a quick overview of how to access Sadlier vocabulary and some of the tools that can help us as we study this year.